Hey guys, Smitty here with Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to cook burgers on a pellet grill. It sounds simple and it really is. I'll show you how to do it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you like what you see today, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment in the description box below. Today we're going to do a simple video. It's going to be about how to cook burgers on a pellet grill. It sounds simple, and you know, I almost feel kind of silly about doing this video, but I see a lot of people having issues just cooking burgers on their pellet grill. And one of the reasons is because they're new to pellet grill cooking and they're trying to cook burgers like they did on their Weber kettle or on their gas grill. They crank it up to 400, 450, 500 degrees and throw them on there, and they're struggling to get burgers like they did off of those grills. And to be honest with you, you're not going to get burgers off of those grills. This is a totally different type of cooking. And so I'm going to show you how I do it on my pellet grill. Give this a try and see how yours turn out. But it's just a different mindset and a different way of cooking. So what I have here today is 2 pounds of butcher box ground beef. This is 85/15. I prefer 80/20, but this is what they sent me. So 85/15 is what we have. I've got 4 burgers, so a ½ pound each. This is usually how I do it. I've also got 8 slices. They're really 4 slices of bacon I cut in half. They're thick slices, and we're going to put those on at the same time. Now, I've got some Traeger big game rub. That's what I'm going to use on these burgers today. Use your favorite kind of rub. So far I haven't done anything to these burgers except pat them out. And I'm going to use the big game rub for this today. We're just going to shake this on. Give them a pretty good coating, and then I'm going to flip them over and do them on the other side. Now I've got them on this baking rack, and that's probably what I'm going to cook them on, just because it's going to make it easier to take them on, get them on and take them off. And one of the reasons why I'm doing this is because I'm not going to flip these burgers at all. Once I get these burgers on, I'm not going to touch them again until they're done and ready to eat. So now I'm just going to lightly flip these over, trying to keep as much of that rub on as I can. I'm going to be cooking on the Timberline 850 today, and I've got it running at 275 degrees. Sometimes I even run it at 250 when I cook burgers. And lots of times I achieve a nice little smoke ring on them, and hopefully that's what we get today. I'm running pecan pellets in the Timberline, and that's how I'm going to do that. I'm even going to sprinkle a little bit of this big game rub on the bacon. And if you haven't cooked bacon on your pellet grill, you need to do it. And you can do it just like this. Get you some thick cut bacon. Put your little rub on it that has a little bit of sugar in there with it. And that sugar is going to caramelize and come out really nice. So as soon as the Timberline comes up to temperature, we're going to get these burgers and this bacon on. I'll see you then. Alright guys, so tubs is up to temperature. Timberline 850. I'm going to utilize the meat probe today as well. We're going to go ahead and get these on. And again, I'm going to keep it on this wire rack and just slide it right in. I'm going on the bottom rack for the burgers, right there in the middle. And then for the bacon, I'm going to go right up above it, right there in the center. And then for my meat probe, I'm just going to go right here in this front one, right in the middle of the burger. Let me go. Through there, and then through the middle of the burger. Close it down, and I'm going to set my alarm for 150 degrees. and then we'll go from there. See you then. Alright guys, at 150 degrees internal temperature, I put the cheese on there, and we just went with the American cheese because really on burgers, you can't really beat that. So after that, we let it go a little bit more, let the cheese melt, and now it's up to 160 degrees internal temperature for the burgers. And the bacon is done as well. So they took exactly the same amount of time, which is pretty cool. So now we're fixing to make this burger. I'm going to take it straight off of the grill and make it right here. So let's go ahead and get that burger made. I'm going to go ahead and cut the Timberline down. It's going through the shutdown process. And these burgers are going to have the best color on them you've ever seen, and you're not going to get this color on a gas grill. Beautiful smoked mahogany color on that burger. And I'm going to go ahead and get 2 pieces of bacon also and put over here. Get that closed so they stay warm. And now let's make this thing. I think I'm going to do a little lettuce. A couple of little pieces of iceberg lettuce on here. Tomato. A few pieces of onion. And I started to go with regular ketchup, but I knew I had some of this Traeger barbecue sauce in there. And that stuff is phenomenal. So we're going to try that. On top with a little candied bacon. This thing's going to be huge. And a little barbecue sauce. We got the apricot barbecue sauce going on top. And all that's getting put on a pretzel bun. And that is how you make a burger on a pellet grill. Alright, so now we're going to cut into it so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. And there you go. Nice, juicy. Perfectly done, not overdone. Let's give it a taste test and see what it tastes like. Nice little smoke ring on there as well. That's good. You're not going to get a burger like that from a gas grill, I can tell you that right now. That smokiness really comes through. That smokiness really comes through with those pellets from that pellet grill. The bacon, the candied bacon, really adds to it. And then the sauce. I mean, that sauce is good on anything. Give this a try next time you do burgers. Lower that temp. It's going to take longer, but just be patient. And the outcome is going to be a lot better than what you've been getting. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't. And until next time, we'll be piddling.